here's what I'm going to try and cover in today's talk. Again, it's really meant to be an informational session for you. It's all about the applied life sciences industry, which is the KGI branding for biotechnology and pharma. And I really want to talk about, first of all, how are drugs developed? You might as well learn something about it in the hour that we spend together. And I'm going to talk about how it's done, because that's where my experience is. And frankly, I think the way we do it is really interesting, and it's a lot of fun, and it's challenging, and produces a lot of really great products. I'm going to talk a little bit about what kind of technical opportunities exist. So you all are on scientific and technical tracks. And so when you think about the industry, I think that probably the image that is burned into your mind is that of a scientist in a lab coat, sitting at a lab bench, pipetting and doing experiments. And one of the most important things that I can tell you today is that that's actually a relatively narrow view of the opportunity that exists in our industry. For people who have critical thinking skill sets and technical backgrounds, there is a plethora of opportunities out there for you. And you don't have to be a PhD scientist to make great value from them. Yes, I'm a PhD scientist, but you know, we're actually relatively small in numbers in the grand scheme of things in our industry. So I'm going to give you an overview of all sorts of different job families and opportunities, and it might be a bit much to do a download and really get in today's talk, but I want to put that out in front of you and give you some food for thought and follow-up for the future. Part of that is also what kind of personal opportunities exist. So that's like personal, professional. I'm not talking about my